Welcome back. So far, we've reviewed the different types of project organizations, including the advantages and disadvantages of each. We've studied the criteria that many use to select the appropriate organization style for our project. Now, in this lesson, we're going to review the project management processes that go into successfully managing a project. A project management process is a set of interrelated activities performed to create a product, service, or result. To manage a project successfully, we use a series of these nested processes to confirm that we're doing the right thing at the right time, and to assure that our activities are adding value to the final deliverables. The set of processes that we're going to review today, and as part of this specialization, are not the only way to successfully execute a project. However, they stood the test of time and proven themselves to be a reliable path to success. The Project Management Institute has identified what they are considered the key project management processes. These processes are documented in the PMBOK, which is one of the textbooks used in this course. These project management processes have been divided into 10 specific knowledge areas. During this specialization, we will explore each one of these knowledge areas in turn. In the next module, we will work on project stakeholder management. After that, we're working on project integration management and so forth throughout the specialization until we've covered all 10 knowledge areas. These project management processes are also organized into 5 groups based on the status of a project or phase. In the initiating phase, we prepare the project charter and identify the project stakeholders. In the planning phase, we develop our plans and schedule and estimate, and we identify risks. In the executing phase, we perform the work, communicate with our stakeholders, and perform procurement and identify and manage our team. In the monitoring and controlling phase, we control the work, perform the change control, and control cost, schedule, quality, and risks. In the closing phase, we complete the project, perform lessons learned, and archive the project records. Table 1-4 in the PMBOK Project Management Process Group and Knowledge Area Mapping provides a great cross-reference to show how the 10 knowledge areas and the 5 phases of a project interact and in which area each of the project management processes reside. I suggest that you review this table when you get a chance. Now, the 5 project phases that we just reviewed look very organized and straightforward. They appear to progress from one phase to the next in an orderly fashion. Nothing could be further from the truth. In reality, they overlap with each other and continuously recycle as we adapt to the inevitable change in our projects. A more accurate picture might be each project is subject to change. As this change happens, we need to adjust our plans, change the way we execute, and update our monitoring and controlling. We will discover new things as we execute, which will cause us also to change the project scope and our plans. We'll either be ahead or behind plan, causing change. If we're executing our project correctly, we should recycle the work processes and update our plans on a continuous basis as we get feedback from our monitoring and controlling. The biggest mistakes I've seen on a project are when the project manager commits to a plan and will not change. The change is there, we are just not reacting to it or won't acknowledge it. In the previous lessons, we've looked at how to organize the project and the steps in project management processes. Next, we will identify the project manager's role as a leader of his team, an essential skill to successfully executing a project.